I'm going to show you how to do an Asiatic order for drop shipment. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm going to add this order onto a drop shipment. So select drop shipment and confirm. Okay, so copy the drop shipment number and then select save. And then add the drop shipment number to the order, and you'll be able to see that the status in the order has changed over to drop shipment now. So the next thing we need to do is add all the details of the customer and the order onto the Asiatic order spreadsheet that will go directly to Asiatic. So I've already added all the information. The email is the same for all orders, and the customer name and the order account number need to be the same, and then you add all the extra information for the customer, the address and the postcode and the contact number and the order number. Okay, so we also need to add in the name of the rug that they're ordering. So that's the product information. So that's here. And then also this, which is like the SKU that Asiatic use. So just copy that over. There. Check the quantity, it's only one, and then add it in there. And then today's date, the date of ordering. And then you'd usually add in 2 working days, so that would be Monday and then Tuesday, which is the 26th. For the delivery date. And then that's that. Next thing that we'll need to do is create a label for this order from UPS that we then send on to Asiatic. So we've opened up UPS here, and it's create a return, and then the first thing you do is select Asiatic because that's where the carpet will be coming from, and then you go into the return address and that's where it's going to, and that'll be the customer's address. So then just add all the customer's details over there and delete out the rug house information. Save that, and then once that's saved, then change the information on the labels. So change to other packing, then check the weight, which is 10, and then in the merchandiser description put rug. The service that you choose is UPS Express Saver print return labels, and then whenever you're put the order number into the notes along with the rug that the customer's ordered, so Asiatic can see that easily. And then save that. And it'll say $9.75, that's fine. Ship now. Copy the tracking number and put it over into the order. And then save the order. And then the next thing you need to do is get the name of the customer and save the label. And I put that into the folder in Dispatch with the shipping labels for that date. So create a new folder today's date. Open it and save. And then that information will all be sent on to Asiatic when the whole order is complete.